Hey, Roses. We are finally going to get into this product from Annabelle's Perfect Blend. So if you want to see what it does for my hair, stay tuned. Welcome and welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne. And before we really get into anything, are you subscribed? I really want to know if you are subscribed. If you're not, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment. So let's get into this. So what we have here is the Annabelle's Perfect Blend Ayurvedic Hair Serum. This comes in a bottle of 8 fluid ounces, and look at all that goodness inside of it. Oh, wait. Okay, so we have this nice top here that you can open either this way or flip the lid, and look at that. Yeah, this looks like this has a lot of slip in it. And from the looks of things, I think it does. Now, it may look like it has a bunch of oil in it, like this will just be super oily on you, but no, this actually feels like just water and a whole bunch of goodness. Well, a whole bunch of Ayurvedic herbs. Look at that sheen. That is nice. I got this in the gummy bear scent, and it smells good. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this into my hair. I kept my hair in my last hairstyle, which was a flexi rod set. I kept that in for a whole 2 weeks, y'all, and I did not refresh it during the time. So I have some knots in my hair that I felt after I washed and deep conditioned it. So what I'm looking for this product to do here is break down these knots and help me detangle. Yes, detangle. Now I'm going to detangle with my fingers first, and then we'll go ahead and go on with the wide tooth comb. I'm hoping with the amount of slip that this gives, or I think it gives, I hope it helps me break down these knots. And if you notice, whatever I had on my face on the other side, that will be gone in a moment. I don't even know what that was. Embarrassing, but whatever. That's how life is sometimes. Anyway, so getting back to the point here. So we're going to go ahead and try this out. And it does say apply to damp hair or dry hair as needed. This product can be used as a leave-in conditioner or daily moisturizer. So I like that your hair doesn't have to be like super soaking wet to put this on, okay? It can be damp, it can be dry, which is perfect. Now look at the consistency of it. It's falling right on down my hands, not too fast, but not slow at all either. So there's plenty of movement in it, which I hope keeps my hair having plenty of movement. So yeah, there goes that first knot. This is the goal here. I want this to, of course, moisturize my hair, lock in some hydration, and help me get rid of these knots. That is what I need. If it can help me get rid of the knots in my hair, then I would say this is a go for an everyday moisturizer or leave-in conditioner, however often you use it. Okay, so as you saw there, it did help. You know, I'm immediately using this to break down these knots, and right now I'm doing this in real time. We're going to speed this up in just a little bit, but this is in real time so you can see me detangling my hair in real time. Okay, so okay, I like how this feels on my hair. As you can see, it's soaked immediately in. There's no white residue, and it is helping me break down these knots. So I'm all for this. Okay, so yeah, I like how that looks. I really do. This is very this is a water-based conditioner, and some of the main ingredients in this is water, sweet almond oil, brahmi, amla, tulsi, neem, bringrog, panthenol. Yeah, this is good stuff. And as you can see, I took out that wide tooth comb, and I'm able to run the comb through it. Thank goodness. That's a relief. And you see how light and fluffy my hair looks? Doesn't look weighed down. It's not weighed down at all whatsoever. Still swinging just fine. So I like this. This is lightweight, but it's giving my hair what it needs. It's like I'm feeding my hair nature. And I like what that sounds like, and I like what it's feeling like in my hair. My hair is not oily. This is not an oily hair serum. It's doing what it's supposed to do, is soaking into the hair shaft and allowing me to be able to loosen it up. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this up. We're going to go ahead and get this all detangled here. There's a big knot right there. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that was the worst knot. So I'm going to go ahead and cut on some music and let you guys watch this work, okay? And then I'll be back.
This is legacy approved. I had a vision before them folks had a clue. Thank God I still had ability when we didn't have a roof. I couldn't even think of stability, let alone had the tools to be making change. And it ain't that ancient a memory. Strange that I can't forget where I came, but don't know if they'll do the same and remember me till I'm painting a bigger picture, making some bigger figures. I can't get stuck in that lane, that's deep, it'll be delivered. Trust me.
I've been working in mercy, Lord, trusting my process of monies, looking for progress and pushing forward. Know I might fall while I'm running. I pick myself up sometimes and pay that pressure no mind. Cause ain't no way I can work this hard, and I know my time is coming.
Look, feet all on the pavement, but these dreams were so adjacent to this rut that I've been stuck in, begging Jesus, can you save him? In the mirror, start to hate him, cause I really know he faking. What's the point of shots you taking when your purpose you evading? Unhealed scars, heart is made of gold, but I feel bronze. Should wash the dirt away for newest day, but it's still dawn. Talking to my peers to make it clear, like who healed y'all? Was taking little baby steps at first, but I still crawl. Pain that's deep inside, that's been something I feel more. I know I should be working, but these days I just chill more. Stuck in solitude in my residence, the truth is clear as evident. Boy, you know you haven't sinned, don't need no more evidence. You all outside your element, cause you got too arrogant. Your soul is in a deficit, boy, you know you delicate. Get back on your regiment, so pick yourself up. This was good for your development, and that's real.
I've been working in mercy, Lord, trusting my process of monies, looking for progress and pushing forward. Know I might fall while I'm running. I pick myself up sometimes and pay that pressure no mind. Cause ain't no way I can work this hard, and I know my time is coming. I've been working in mercy, Lord, trusting my process of monies, looking for progress and pushing forward. Know I might fall while I'm running. I pick myself up sometimes and pay that pressure no mind. Cause ain't no way I can work this hard, and I know my time is coming.
Ride for a real one, yeah. Slide on a real one. On my mama and God, you the real thing. Can't even cap to me, know you feel something. Yeah, you wanted a million and you show it. What you want, is it really that important? You've been on my mind and I really can't ignore it. Little baby, you a 10. When I'm in it, I got you going, oh. I can't even help it. I don't think I want to know that I've been on you. Ooh, oh. Tell me that you want it. Little baby, you a 10. Can I run it back again? Laid up, we paid up and faded on top of it. Ain't really used to this, I ain't never has. From the bare minimum, we doing lavish. I was down bad, really acting like I had it. You seen right through it, knew I was catting up. Still let me hit it till you cashed out, it adding up. Lately, been adding up. What you want, I'm activated. Way you looking at me with the eyes, hella captivated. Know you had you a long day, you agitated. I can get you off no medication, have you elevated. Can't fix the world, but I bet I fix that attitude. Mood on Big 10 when I fall through, it's all you. Slide through the town by the lake shore. Used to ride tank to the last drop in the Acura. Really, I was down bad, I was acting up. Somehow you still ain't had enough, yeah. Ride for a real one, yeah. Slide on a real one. On my mama and God, you the real thing. Can't even cap to me, know you feel something. Yeah, you wanted a million and you show it. What you want, is it really that important? You been on my mind and I really can't ignore it. Little baby, you a 10. Wait a minute, I got you going. I can't even help it. I don't think I want to know that I've been on you. Tell me that you want it. Little baby, you a 10. Can I run it back again? What we doing? I've been on you long time, I'ma prove it. You let me ride tides and I always keep it fluid. And if they ain't going stupid, I be tripping if I lose it. I get you so high, have you jet lag. We can skip town, get your rest back. Vacating it out and blowing jetpack. Show me one more time, nothing you best at, yeah. One more time at you at sunrise. We can slide on Telegraph and do brunch time. I've been making ends meet. I've been running routes to catch it. Plays in the field deep. I just wanna build reach. Know I got you charged up. Just let that phone die. Pull up in the clutch like I'm Curry in the crunch time. I got something for you when the sun gets hot. Drop that pen up in the black soda house and know you ride with a real one. Side with a real one. Oh my mama and God, you're the real thing. Can't even cap to me, know you feel something. Yeah, you wanted a million and you show it. What you want, is it really that important? You've been on my mind and I really can't ignore it.
Shiny lights and purple sky, everything's so bright. 기다려왔어 지금이야. Turn off your phone and off your mind. Look at you so bright. 멈출 수 없어 지금이야. Oh, I'll take you to the moon. Come on up, enjoy your ride. Oh, I'll take you to the moon. Just be ready to enjoy your night. Oh, baby, it's right now.
You see all that hair? Did you see that hair? Yes. So my hair is fully detangled. I'm so super happy. I'm just going to go ahead and split my hair down the middle. And trying to figure out what I'm going to do to it. I'm not going to do much. I want to keep it super simple because there's another thing I plan on doing with my hair. So what I'm going to do here is, first off, let's get into this. You see how much I used? That's for my whole head. That's it. So a little bit does go a long way. This is going to last me for quite a while. So yeah, so now I'm going to go in and just top everything off with the Animal's Perfect Blend Hair and Body Oil in the scent Jammin Rock Candy. Ooh, let me tell you, my hair smells good, okay? But I want to just go ahead and do that. And then what I'm going to do, I don't really want to do much to my hair because there's something else I plan on doing. And I need my hair flat as possible. So we'll just go ahead and get this oil in. Seal up all that goodness. As you can see, I still have no cast whatsoever. No white cast. The fro is froing. Well, it's a little bit longer now, but yes. I'm doing something super simple. And I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do right about now. This is it. 2 braids. That's it. They're loose. They're not tight. And yeah, that's all I'm doing. I'm going to take a satin scrunchie and probably stretch out the length of the braid. But other than that, let me know what you think. Is this something you're going to try? Let me know. Other than that, roses, I will talk to you later. Bye.